station of Paris, ano to? De Gonard. Oh, yan. So, there you go. Those are the trains going to all European countries. As you can see, super duper nice. And then, this is our lane going back to London, to St. Pancras. Good morning. We're going back to London. Welcome to Belgium. Belgium. Sabi sa map. Nakikita mo pag nasa train ka. Sumihilit pa si Gak. Oh my gosh. Self-portrait. Aquazura pa yung katabi natin, no? Yes! Aquazura. It's my brand. My favorite. That's the building, yes. It's beside Aquazura. It's so nice. This is the entrance. Elevator agad. Pagpasok mo, ito.
Maganda yung elevator niya sa Airbnb niya kasi ito yung ginagamit ng father ko sa resort namin, Schindler.
Yes. And how much is this Airbnb?
1,000 yung 3 bedrooms.
With 6 to 8 packs.
Pero meron siyang tigpo 400 na nasa city din.
But this one is medyo...
I think worth it yung 400 kasi hindi ka na mag-taxi or mag-Uber na extra costing. Tapos yung time and pagod. So I think the 400 sa luxurious na stay mo, you deserve it. And
this is parang the 5-star of Airbnb. Tsaka daddy, kung 70,000 per night, kung 6 to 8 sila, parang approximately 10,000 each lang sila per night. Good pa din, right? Okay.
Airbnb sa city ng London. Tutor mo namin kayo.
Correct.
Portera. Room number 1. Oh. Room number 2.
Shucks. Wow! Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Oh my goodness!
And this is the master bedroom.
Grabe naman! Ganito ang dream house. Ito magandang condo unit, no, love? Ganitong kalaki, no? Grabe to. Nagpa-deliver kami ng 5 Guys. For anything else. Guys, thank you to my dear Dara for the 5 Guys delivery. Girl, ito na, oh, ang mga alagad natin. Okay, we're on the way to the airport.
Tapos na akong umiyak dito.
Guys, almost home, charos. Almost home, 24 hours pa. Welcome to Terminal 4. Kuya Ba, thank you. You're the best. So, ito ang aming car. Pinahiram kami ni Kuya Bot. Sobrang the best to. Ayan. Bo, right hand ah. Thank you, Kuya Bot. See you in Manila, ha?
See you.
Ang mga mare, ano na? Babay na. Uy! Magkita tayo sa September. Labo! Isa. Bye, ate. Bye-bye. Love you.
A few moments later.
Yummy! Siyempre, magpapabudol muna tayo. Dito tayo sa skincare. Muna. Bye-bye! Okay, sobrang loyal sa PBA Moto Club to. As you can see, naka-PBA Moto Club shirt. Yes, napakalayo naman. So goodbye UK! We're off to Abu Dhabi for our layover. Thank you UK and Paris. Such a memorable trip. God bless you guys. Love you all. Connecting flight namin is less than 1 hour. So, ito kami. Hingal na hingal kami. Ilaban natin to. Buti na lang. Dahil ang daming magagandang stuff dito sa Abu Dhabi. Duty free siya, oh. Wow, ang laki ng lounge nila. Hanggang second floor. Ay, dami choice.
Plus tayo, na-upgrade tayo dahil kay JJ Health Albert.
Thanks, Jay. Ay na sa lounge nila dito sa Abu Dhabi talaga. Ha? Daming choices.
Oh, basta gusto ko yan po.
Welcome back to AD. Last 9 hours to go. And we're home with our babies. Susunduin ata tayo ng 3. Sasama ata. This is how big their lounge here in Abu Dhabi. So, si JJ tumakbo. Kami iikot papunta sa aming gate.
Ikot.
The gates are closing. So, let's do this.
Ito pala pag-business.
Grabe, parang tumaba ako talaga sa Europe. Panay kain.
Yeah.
Sa front tayo pala. Ay, dito ka, Jay. Wow, ang ganda ng pwesto mo dyan, boy. Window seat ka. Kami 5. Hi. Finally, a good sleep. Wow, I love Etihad Business Class. Super nice. Wow. The compressor. I love the pouch. You know, here, ang kapal ng kumot, and look at this. Ang ganda ng mga pillow nila. I don't remember na may ganito sa PAL. It's my first time na mag-business class dito sa Etihad. And look at this. Okay, so here's where I can put my salamin. Water, salamin. Cheers, my love! Last time na nag-business class kami, 2019 pa. Let's seize this moment. Cheers! We are here in Abu Dhabi and we're going back to Manila. So it takes us almost 8 hours. And I just want to say thank you to all our friends in London na nag-asikaso sa amin doon. Thank you for watching all my London and Paris vlog. And I hope that you will continue to support us. And it was such a memorable tour, event, and vacation. And so praise God for all the friends and new friends that we've met sa London and Paris. So we'll see you guys in Manila. And hopefully makabalik kami next year sa Europe because mayroon yatang mga invites pa. And please stay tuned because we have more projects and events that are waiting. And also, please subscribe to our channel and continue to support all our charity events. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm so excited to go home and see my kids finally after 2 weeks. Ito na yata yung pinakamahaba. Ay, hindi. Nakapag 18 days pala kami dati sa America ni Rico. But that's okay. It's a mom and dad break, and we need it once in a while. It's very important to have your quality time, especially with your husband. So bye-bye! Love you all! Guys, silipin natin si Rico. Guys, this is so cool. So, pag gusto mo mag-dark, ayan, gagabi na siya. Oh, amazing. Ang init sa Pilipinas. Na-miss ko ang London at Paris. So, totoo nga ang chismis na mainit sa Pilipinas. My goodness! Hello! It's cute! Say hi to Tito JJ. Yan na si Tito JJ na. Excited kami smoking. Oh my God.
Favorite? Later na kainin. Later na. Bukas na pala.
It's the best flavor in the world.
Oh my gosh, look at that! Oh, ilagay mo na rin yung M&M's dyan.
What can we eat?
What do you want? That's a lot, oh. Puno, oh my gosh, ang dami nagbigay.
One every day.
One every day, oh.
To
Hatiin mo na para, hindi para balance.
eat it now. I want
Alin, look at this. Oh. Sobra dami. Grabe.
Can we eat this first?
Tapos isang box pa parating. O, go pili na kayo.
Kasi padala na to.
Ito daw, super sarap daw nito. Donuts.
I
Wanna
want
try?
this. No. No, I want this one.